show the screen and then come to me. I'm Bill Leidick with Printers and Duplicator Service, and we're at our spring open house. We're showing the Therm-O-Type A3E. It's a digitally based, window-based, not just a business card slitter, does a variety of products, and we're going to show you that. Today we're going to be showing you a 24 up 12 by 18 sheet. This is digitally printed. This piece of material that I got in my hand is actually a polyester plastic, and we're going to do paper as well. So here we go. I'll show this to you. First of all, we enter everything from our touch screen. We go setup. We can ask it to register from the edge of the paper or from a mark that's printed on the paper if your digital print engine does not necessarily put the image in the same place on every sheet. This ensures that every card will land and cut exactly. We're taking out an 1/8 of an inch gutter both in the top of the cards and the edge of the cards. We're cutting off the sides. We're taking off the head and the foot so we could do digitally full bleed business cards or greeting cards or other types of things. Once we set it up, we close it. We have the ability to save it and retrieve jobs out of memory. So once we create them, we do not have to do it again. Like I say, this is Windows based. So at this time, I actually have my cassette, which is located in this area of the machine. Let me take the cover off and show you. That's this area right here, which is removable, and we'll do that in a minute. This one is set up for a greeting card with a slit cut so it will fold precisely. I don't have anything printed for a greeting card, so I'm just going to use white paper of one of my business cards. We stick this in here. We can load this up a stack of them, and literally once we hit go, walk off and leave it. I'll hit start. It feeds it in, and out comes our product. And as you can see, it has slit cut, and it is perfectly. So that could be a 4x6 or a 5x7 greeting card product. Now I'm going to do the changeover for the 24 up business card product. I simply remove these two lockdowns. It lifts out of the machine. We now put in our 24 up cassette. Put our hold downs back in. Put our business card receiving catcher on here with the ink pen that doesn't belong. Slide it in, tighten up the 2 thumb screws. We're done in that area. Now we put our safety cover back on so it will stop beeping. And we go to retrieve. And we're going to run job 2. We go down, load selected job, and close. I did not hit something correctly, so let me do it again. Alright, we have selected this out of memory. You can see we have the number of pieces 12, but that's in 2 rows, which will be 24. We're taking out a gutter width of an 1/8 inch, a lead trim of 375, and a product. Now I do know that this 375 off the lead edge is not correct for our layout, so I'm going to show you how to edit it. We go into setup, and we tell it 12 pieces, and we're off the mark, and our lead edge trim up needs to be a 1/2 inch. Once we've got it like we want it, we tell it to close, and now you can see it has changed. This particular product is polyplastic, 12 up. Now hit start. One thing you experience as a problem on cutting business cards on a guillotine paper cutter is you have to cut them in small stacks. You also get clamp marks from the pressure clamp, and if your blade is not really sharp and clamp pressure is not right, you get draw badly. So if the cards was a bordered card, it would show out of square really bad. One thing about this machine is it will trim every card perfectly square. No problem whatsoever. That's it for the Therm-O-Type A3E. They make larger models than this, and they do have, if you did a lot of production, they have an air pile stacker that'll hold 15 inches of stock, and you can do tens of thousands of cards per hour. Alrighty, I'm Bill. This is Printers and Duplicators Service at our open house, and if you have any questions, please call us at 800-737-1734.